Okay. Ah, hello. Holy shit. My mic is going very high volume. Oh, just lower. Very good. Okay. Today, hello all, first of all. Today we're playing Rudy 2D. Hold on. There we go. Your boy found a random automation game. It seems to be, yeah, 2D automation. It looked kind of cool. I did also have another game I wanted to play as well, but I decided to go with this one today. See, there's a penis on the title screen. Very nice, very nice. I've not played this at all. I don't really know what it's about. The Steam page just looked like a bunch of random machines. It seemed a little bit more in-depth than, you just pipe around a bunch of garbage. So let's see how this goes. I have to play a tutorial. Can I skip the tutorial? Yappa, yappa, yappa. I have to interact. Ooh, hover your mouse over the toggler in the wall. There's a red dot and arrows. Huh? Huh? Oh! Penis, haha. What am I supposed to do now? Arrow? Toggler. Ah, okay. I see. So F is the interact key. Sure. Am I? I'm just like a nose on two legs. Okay. Detectors turn on. Am I a detector? Wait. That's a command block. That's a detector. Okay. Sure. Joystick. Sure. Sure. Yup. Yup. Up. Can I? If I click quit, do I skip it? Actually, maybe it really wants me to do this tutorial. It shouldn't take long anyway. I hope. I'm getting flashbacks from that. What do you call it? Cuphead. Journalist playthrough. Banger. And oh. When your mask is down, you're in welding mode. Hold mouse right to unweld this wall. Oh. Unweld anything else? Can I weld? Oh, okay. Cool. When your mask is up, you can hold right to pick up blocks. Oh. Pick them all up? Okay. Good. Modes can be toggled. Sure. Tapping C. F to interact with togglers with your mouse. If you prefer to use shifts to changing modes, like I do, I suggest turning off sticky keys. Alright, yeah, whatever. Just move slowly. Ooh. Sneaky beaky like. When in building mode, the scroll wheel selects the hotbar, which I have absolutely nothing in, or use your number keys. It's fine. Building mode, yappa yappa. Zoom. Oh my god, okay. Quite the zoom out. When your mask is down, you're in welding mode. I'm aware. Sees up, yeah, I'm aware. Okay, well, I just repeat the same things. I pick up the blocks, sure. Boop, boop, boop. These things have gravity. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh I'm taking damage. You know what? We're dying in the tutorial. One thing happened? That's my inventory. Like a lock? Okay. Yeah, fair enough. Don't really know what I expected. Sure. I don't have a tutorial where I won't die in it. Can I run through while I'm placing? That speedrun tech. I don't really understand how to grab things properly. So I'm right-clicking here, right? I hover over all these. And then what? In place. Sometimes I feel like I grab them, and sometimes I don't. They all have to be separated. Ah! They have to be separated blocks. Okay. Building mode makes left click to place blocks. Sure. Oops. I didn't mean to do that, sorry. No! Build some stairs. I'm good. You can pick up an entire structure with mouse right and then rotate. Like that? You can pick up entire structures with mouse right and then rotate them with R and E. Doesn't seem to be doing very much. Oh no! Okay. Wait, how did I do that? I was holding right. Oh, and then you select the whole thing. Okay. Let's see. I can grab everything from here? I can. Okay, that makes sense. That's kind of cool. So I don't actually have to select all the blocks like that. Okay. Yeah. Is there gravity? Only on individual blocks, it seems. Right, like this. Aha. Okay, so if one thing is touching the floor, it'll be fine. Okay, all good. In that case, so I should be able to, in theory, be able to cut that. That cut? Ah. Yeah, okay. Place a structure in your backpack. Oh, you probably won't spec them, don't you? Weld it together. So press tab. Oh, I got like a little sorting minigame. Interesting. Oh, what did it say again? Oh, and you can stack them too. Okay. Mouse middle or Q is pipette. You can use it to quickly store your hand into your backpack. Huh? You can use it to quickly store your hand into your backpack. That's in my backpack somewhere, I guess. Even though it's on my hotbar. So, oh, okay. And that is in my backpack now. I see. Okay. Spam Q and right click. Hilarious. And next tutorial. Okay. How to unlock recipes? Kind of wish I would learn this by myself. Oh, okay. That's all I needed. We'll figure out everything else. Dagor! And the seed is... I use text. The cool gore. Skip early game. What we got? Open. Customize. I like the little dude that you're gonna be. I want to be a tomato. How red can I be? Very much so. Make me short too. Absolutely phenomenal. Okay. So calcium bar magnet. Oh boy. Can I mine? I didn't actually figure out how I can mine. Ooh, I see. And so I can pick up dirt blocks. Grass. Alright. So presumably I want a bunch of resources to unlock better gear. Is there a research bench? Arc furnace? Toggler. Extractor, copper vein. Okay. Don't know how I feel about the fact that it's pushing this away. What's that? Calcium bar. Will this get collected? Oh, okay. I guess we're going this way now. Please stop. It doesn't seem like the copper vein is... Is copper vein infinite? Can I see? And get copper ore by mining directly. Okay. Question mark. That's the copper ore. Iron collector. I wonder what the collector does. Does it say? No. Presumably it collects things. I imagine it's like a hopper. How to processing? Okay, we need sand. Sand. Maybe made from dirt? This the music in this game? No music options, I guess not. We got trees. Should I collect some wood? Go on. Split everything apart. Oh, it grew a leaf. Don't know if you saw that. Get out of here. Give me. I want wood. Never know. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you turn dirt into sand? Or maybe it's stone into sand. Oh. We'll find out. Cut. I have like a little mine here. Oh, I have to cut the exact direction as well. I didn't even realize. Oh, man. Stairs. I kind of like this cutting system. This is cool. Presumably nothing will crush me if I do it like this. Oh, no. Okay. And grass even grows. Okay, that should be enough dirt for now. Let's try extract. Extract dirt. Let me get all this, though. Well. What happens? No. What's stone? Use the guidebook to see what recipe stone's for. Aha! Gee. That is a lot of shit going on. Wood, logs, water. Flows out of the way, can be naturally along the world surface before researching rehydration. Okay. Let me stop moving and distracting. Water plus iron gets turned into oxide. Ah, I can make rust. Okay, so cool, I've got a recipe book. Stone. Presumably turns into sand. Ah. Extractor gets extracted into sand. Very good. Let's just collect some stone, I guess, then. Give me. Please. Can't cut that. Okay. I did see some stone was over here. Why can't I always cut anything? Can I put everything in my inventory? Get the shit out of the way. Oh. Not what I wanted to do. Okay. Is there a shortcut for this? Tab? No. Oh well. Can't cut anymore. I'll just take the whole tree then. Cannot. If I cook myself, I swear this is how I was cutting before. Oh no, I'm pressing the wrong button. Okay. Stone. Does that mean I was just fucking up earlier? Yes, I was just pressing the wrong button. It's a little confusing, I'm not gonna lie. Because you can press shift to go into like cutting mode, and you press right click to cut, and then left click to weld. But then you've also got like this pickup mode, right? It's actually 4 buttons to the build and yeah, cut. Oh, right. No. Yeah. Okay, cool. Ah, moment. Yeah, I'm back. But I wanted to ask me his thoughts on a card game, but ask him later. Grab some of this stone and turn it into sand. I need only 5, right? Because I make 2. I make 2 sand, I saw, per stone. Go. Like that. Extractor. Here. Boom. Will it just like drop? It, not tall enough. Okay, yes. W. I've got sand. I'm trying to turn it all into sand. Presumably it's useful. Gimme. Okay. I've got my 20 sand. How can I give the sand? Is it this? Mass core? Combiner? Magnet? Collector, maybe? Take my sand, please. No. Well, the number went up. I'm dying. Ah. Why does it just throw things randomly? Oh, I see sand is, it's got weird physics. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, please stop. So I don't really understand the placing mechanics very well, but it's fine. Research powder processing. Research tree T is only a guide. You select what research to unlock simply by putting correct research materials, or yeah, the correct materials into the collector. Okay. That would have been actually a useful message beforehand, but all good. Pulp, sawdust, silicon, wafer, glass, cast iron, and oxide. Didn't I already have oxide? Lamp. Oh, wait, I said I could select the research I wanted. Oh, I see. Here we go. Block flow. Summon ore? Boomch. I get it. Gotta summon some ores. Okay. Slime, rehydration. I don't know. I'm kind of interested to see if there's like a space in this. I try and make like a flying vehicle. Breaking machines. Dynamic roller? Okay. What do we need for vehicles? Block flow. Rubber. What do we need? Pulp. I did see we unlocked pulp. This one? Pulp. Yeah, fair enough. Wood extracted into pulp. This block won't connect to any other and slides off other blocks. Use an arc furnace to turn it into rubber. Okay, cool. I like the progression, actually. It's really nice and flexible. I do have this whole ass tree, which I'll use just in my inventory. Oops, nope. Right, cut this. There we go. Trying to crush me. Wow. And collect everything. Very cool. I have like a buzz saw that I just like fling around. Go. Activate. No? Oh, I haven't placed it yet. There we go. 2. Still, I wish I could figure out how to place things without having to move away. If I right click on it, it disappears it. I can like jump to activate. If I just move while I'm doing it. Let's see. This is the arc furnace, right? So I can make rubber now, right? Let's see. Oh, okay. It incinerates your rubber if you're not quick enough. These are stealing my rubber from me. Can I get incinerated? No. Place the iron vein and mine it manually with left mouse to get iron ore. I tried that with copper, but it didn't work. Oh! I'm getting an inventory. Yeah, here. Iron ore. Is it infinite? No way, right? Fair enough. Yeah, no, I don't need that much. Cool. Okay, lamp. I don't care. Block flow, here we go. Core ore. And rubber. We've got rubber. Core ore? Found by sifting through lots of stone. Ugh. How do I sift? Oh, it's mining. Alright. Yep. Wait, is there any chance we can make like a mining machine? Motor, processing machine, braking machine. Ironically, you need to mine to be able to auto mine. Fair enough. Oh, I see some there. There you go, right here. Right. Oops. Let's just tunnel our way to it. Oh, no. Give me. I wonder if there's faster ways of doing this beyond just, you know, cutting a path and taking the blocks. Okay, cool. So, do I mine it? I don't... No? Just cut it out, I guess, then. Cores are the primary resource for high-tier unique blocks. Collecting a large amount of them by hand is tedious. Well. That's... Okay. I assume it wants me to automate that somehow. I guess we're stuck mining for now, though. Probably should have this be a staircase. Doink. I really like this janky-ass mining system. Quite funny. Just cut it all apart. There we go. Oh, I can like queue it up. Nice. Convenient. Doink. Start swinging. Yeah. Do we see a core? I see something down there. It's like a cave or something. Okay. I gotta sit here and wait for him to mine now. Yeah. That's some iron. I am a little worried I'll run out of inventory space, but well. What's that? Church on the top right. Oh. I also noticed there's sediment and dirt, which is something different. Get rid of that. Divine diamond? Copper. Uh-huh. Hey, there is a cave there, yeah. Okay. Should probably try and go to the cave then, no? Just Make a tunnel below my staircase. I wonder if I can upgrade my mining. It probably is just automating it. I can't believe this new Terraria mod lets you automate things. It's crazy. Devs really went a different way this time. Sure, I got some of it. Can I make torches? Torches would be nice. Yes, I can. Okay. Oh, I see the lamp. That's why it asked me to research that. Oh, it unlocks longer reach. I am really stupid. Let's go get that quickly. Glass as well. Should have more or less everything I need. Is that snow? It is. Maybe I can turn that into water. Let's get rid of this. It was stone gets turned into sand, and sand, which I should already have a little bit of, gets turned into glass, presumably. Oh, that's not glass. I'm dying also. What did I just make? Silicon. Do I cook silicon then? Oh, okay. Fair enough. It doesn't even break the next time I do it. Ignore like the fact that my entire factory is just sand everywhere now. Wow. Yeah, have your 4 glass. Oh, nice and quick too. Okay. Go back to what I was doing. What that? Amenities? Amenities, sorry. Platform, display, Adobe. Oh, I can make a house. Plus faster freezing and picking up larger structures. Oh! It unlocks passive buffs, higher jump. I see, I do have higher jump, yes. Okay. Faster unwelding, yes. Okay. That's cool. I didn't realize it gives you passives. Back to this, then. Sure. So I should be able to see now, right? Oh my god, look at the range increase. Holy shit. Do I have a lamp? Can I make a lamp? Lamp. Movers. Ice. I have. No, fair enough. No. I can't seem to make lamps yet. Cap? Oh no, lamp. What? Wire spool combiner toggler. Oh, no, I got no clue. Ah. Use my extended reach to mine a little bit faster. But now I'm just digging around in the dark, praying I can see what I'm doing. Praying on me tonight. I can't see shit. I got no fucking clue what's happening down there. Okay. If I'm lucky, I'll find one just on the surface, I guess, then. We have a little peek over here. Come on. Yeah. Probably should remove this from such. Oh, there's one there. Nice, nice, nice. No, let's just mine all the way there. Okay. Keep my tunnel nice and wide. Nice. Lucky me. Look, I'm chopping up like onions or something. All these layers. No. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Ow, ow, ow. It's really funny that you can die in this game. don't think it's even going to be a single enemy. Yeah, I'm still able to die. I am my own enemy. Yeah. Core acquired. We get that research. Oops. I also need rubber, which is fine. Got a couple of that. Here, bonk bonk. I wanted sand. I definitely have some of that. I make this furnace taller. Might help with this sort of problem I'm having that everything's just sliding away. Okay, what? I cook myself. There we go. There we go. This cast iron. How do I make that, I wonder? Oof. Chert. Is it raw? There's iron plates here. Just quite complicated, actually. Cast iron. I see. So iron bars combined with sand makes cast iron. A solid material is all it says. Very helpful. Okay. I made a lot of glass, and I did not want that. Oops. Did I make rubber again? What am I doing? Needs rubber. Oh, it's pulp, not sand. Yeah, I don't know why I thought sand's to rubber. Oops. Okay, start chopping. I don't care about the leaves, I'll just leave them on the ground for now. As long as they don't crush me. Okay, there we go. Gimme, gimme. Okay. Hopefully that should be enough. What's this? Maple log, yes. Was it cooking the logs? No, 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 my rubber. Don't do that. It's not cooking logs, it's cooking pulp. There we go. The extractor is pretty. The extractor is quite straightforward. I do also like that I don't have to power it, or it's always a pain. I wish I could shift-click things out of my inventory, though. What's this? I have no clue. Oh, that's welding mode. And this is cutting mode. Oh. My collector is full enough. Or sorry, extractor. Oh, I see. I can toggle so it's not hard to do a large-scale project. Okay, where's my pulp? Pulp is here. Okay. The blocks kind of look really similar, though. Oh! Oh no! Go back. Man. Let me weld this together. Boop and boop. There we go. I'm dying? I guess I sank into the pulp. Quicksand. Ah. I wonder if there's like a dispenser or something I should be using. Do I need 20? Oh, me. Come on. Did not want that again. Please don't crush me. Okay, that's 20 now. Dropping. Yoink, 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 and yoink. Okay. I don't care about this. wire. I mean, I probably will need it, but breaking machine. Here we go. Needs prerequisites. Alright, well, fuck you too. Maple logs. We do have that. Guess I may need a method of getting up. Oh, I see why I'm not insta-placing. So I can do something like that. Okay, that makes sense. Sure. Nope. Try not to melt myself down for parts. Ah, chopping. Choppy, choppy. Yeah. Really don't know if I care about the leaves at all. Just want the wood. Thank you. This might be a little bit too tall, actually. Just in the way. Okay, I got some logs. Probably didn't that many, but so be it. And I think I needed this. I think I needed motors, right? Okay, I need motors. I need wires. Sure. Copper bar and wafer. I make a copper bar. Arc furnace. Copper. Checks out. 5 I needed. There you go. Oh, it takes years to cook. It's all multitask then. And wafer. Silicon. A combiner? Do I have a combiner? Magnet. Combiner, there it is. Calcium bar. Is this on? What the fuck is this? Iron bar? I assume I just don't have what it wants me to unlock. Roller. Magnet? Roller. Some sort of car? Or what the fuck am I looking at? Calcium bar. I'm just gonna move this out the way. I don't really understand what that's supposed to be. Silicon. Don't have any. Let's make some. Just sand. Oh, I did have some. Oh, fair enough. Oh, it has a chance to break. Or is that just full damage? Well. Oh yeah. Don't expect to be able to automate everything right away. Automation takes resources, time, and possibly more research. Yeah, I got that. Wire spool? And iron bars. Wire spool. Okay. I need to combine copper bars. Oh, my voice. Seems easy enough. Oh, right. All my copper bars. All my copper bars are gone. Right? I remember I could mine this. Gives me copper ore, right? I just realized I was feeding copper veins into this. Oh my. No way, right? Wait, hold on. No, okay, good. Thank God. Oh my God. No way I was just giving away my veins. That's my infinite copper. I'm being crushed. Thank you very much. How am I supposed to automate this? I need to figure out a way I can place and then pick up automatically. Get this shit off my screen. Do I have a block for that? Not B? E? No? I can click this. Building. Display, cap, chair, Adobe. No. This is wires, sensors. Toggler. Yeah, I don't think I've unlocked anything like that yet. entire unresearched thing. A magnet, a roller. Oh! So if I put a bunch of stuff here, but I don't know if it's finished or not. I need some sort of sensor to know if it's finished cooking, because things have different cook times, right? Anyway, combiner. Oh, so that's what the point of this is, to combine multiple items, right? How am I supposed to get it into the middle? Calcium bar. I don't think calcium bar is part of the building. Okay. How do I get it into the middle? What's a mass core? Hold on, let's quickly seal that. Doing mass core. Can I see what it is? No. Take that. Yoink and yoink. Can I? I can't unweld in my inventory. It has to be in the real world. Oh. Okay, so what? Two of those? Is this not on? Is it directional? Is it this? No. For that. No. Ah! I have to combine them myself. The locks on the hotbar protect the slot from middle mouse. I see. You have very specific items you want somewhere. Okay. Fair enough. I like it. Oh, I keep doing that. That's brutal. For 8 out of 10. Okay. I do really like the research system of this so far. Except for the fact that I'm losing most of my resources to the research. I know. Presumably need to cook it. Oh, this is gonna take years. Oops. A timer would also work if I could just do like some sort of slow timing. I guess I'll unlock all of these eventually. Oh, my bad. Oh, okay. Research motor. Processing machine. Ah, man, cast iron. I do get the furnace and the extractor though. I can probably simultaneously cook up things. Sure. What else is there? Cable management, automated control. Oh, actuator. Is it like pistons? A trigger? Sends a charge when it sees a block. Does not detect glass. Not exactly what I'm looking for. Percussor. What, like a sound? Analog system. Aha. Latch. Oh my god. Galvanometer. Oh boy. If the left and right inputs are imbalanced, it selects the higher charge and subtracts the... Okay. This is going to be complicated. Gotcha. Pelt mellow. What's a pelt mellow? If I pick it up, will it show up in my guidebook? Sawdust. This block won't connect to any other slides off blocks. Put it into the injector to fertilize dirt. Sure. What's that? Wire, diode, transistor. Charger, sure. Oh, I got motors here. Rotates loose blocks when given a charge. Okay. Roller, magnet. God. It's quite overwhelming. Raw core. Is linked to other raw cores in certain positions. Don't really understand. Materials. Was I looking for again? I feel like I was looking for something specific. Oh well. Cast iron. Sand and iron bars. I was supposed to be automating things, but at this point I'm just sort of no. Stop. Bad. Oh. I got a bunch of these frames, whatever they're for. Unfortunate. I need sand. It's a good way to get some, at least. Don't need all that. Okay. So stone extracted into sand. I fucked up. Oh, G to see how to automate infinite ore. What? G? Okay. Use G. No, just cast iron. No, it doesn't help. Was I supposed to get that earlier? Magnet. Infinite iron ore, huh? I need some sort of way to mine. Will an extractor mine for me? Yes, yes it will. That's why I'm supposed to get a arc furnace. Gotcha. Oh, I have an idea then. In that case, let's just have some iron ore being made at all times. Stone. Put this here. I'm hoping this won't just, like, break. That's not what I wanted. Make sure it's nice and connected to the ground so it doesn't move. Okay, and so iron ore goes here. That cooks. Well, how am I supposed to get rid of the iron ore then? Yeah, I need some sort of sensor then, right? Oops. Come on. The roller do anything for me? Oh, stop. No. Okay, that's fine. Ow. Roller Magnus. Oh! Maybe a magnet might work. And let's place like a... I didn't mean to finish that. Stone block here to hold the magnet. Nice and welded. So if I put an iron here, will that work? It's not getting charged. I need a wire. How do I make a wire? Wire. Bunch of frames with a wire spool gives me wires. Fine. Make a bunch of copper then. Why are we... Ooh. That's a problem. Stop. No, actually, just use the, I can't weld the, No, stop! Stop. You can't weld the copper. Yeah, you can't. Fair enough. This isn't copper, this is iron. Oops. Come on. Oh my god. Let's... Give me some copper. Oh! Oh, it's ore, my bad. Ravines. There it is. And that is so slow. Okay, that's a spool. And then it said, like, was it like 3 frames? 4 frames go into and a spool, sorry. 4 frames, 1, 2, 3, 4. And a spool. Nice and joined up. There we go. Ah, glorious. And a wire. Wire? What does this do? I realize I've made this not realizing what wires do. A wire conducts a charge from up to 255. Make a toggler. How do I use it? I can see there's wires here. Well, it seems to be going through blocks, no? Oh, does stone not allow... Right, stone probably doesn't allow charge. Gotcha. I probably use the, probably have to use cast iron instead. How about that? Oop. Can I put wire here? No? So I don't really need a block in between then. And a magnet. Okay, that seems to be working. Okay, yes. Then I need a way to time it. I was hoping that ore wouldn't have any sort of magnetism, but it doesn't seem to be the case. I think I'm cooked. Put this all up. I don't know if there's anything else I can do about that, then. Yeah, I need some sort of automation unlocked, then. Automated control. What does it actually do? Can push a structure of blocks. Nope, don't care. Yeah, wait. Yellow face is great for welding. Whatever. I can't weld ore. Balls and heads. Sends a charge when it sees a block. Fireboard, port, cascade. Capacitor. I should be able to use this, because I can detect the charges between copper ore and bars, but we'll be able to detect the difference between air and copper? Probably not. This does not bode well for my automation empire. I can't figure out how to automate cooking. Breaking machines. Dismantler. Destroyer. What? I just need stone? Should have said so, bro. I have 10 stone. There you go. Oh, you can have that too, I guess. And what does this give me? Spark catcher. Place this directly under a block that is being processed and it will collect sparks. Oh! They've just got something for me to do it. Okay, I need 200 stone. That's genuinely completely fine. It's just... Was that full damage? Oh, wait, why didn't I have to think of this? Let's just go to space like this. Ain't nothing stopping me. Oh, other than myself. Above the clouds. I really hope there's no fall damage, because I'll be cooked otherwise. Alright, a stone. Oh. Whee! Holy shit, we went some distance, huh? Okay. Try to clear up my inventory a little bit. Is there an auto sort? Oh, W. So it did say I would be able to cut faster now. Oh, that is a lot faster. Hell yeah. Now we're talking. Don't have to squash me though. Okay. Might as well grab this while I'm here. Research spark catcher. Port. Oh. The port do. A port is a wire that connects to another port without being welded. Ah, for machines. That's almost spot on to 100, or is it 200 stone? Okay. Back to the research. Spark emitter? Ah, I need this too. A charge will make the spark emitter shoot a spark. No, we don't need that. Let's stop this. Stop. Stop. No. Get rid of that too, just in case. Okay, I needed a spark something. Spark catcher. How do I make this? Chart and a frame. Frames, I believe, were made with iron bars, if I remember. Yeah, looks good to me. Let's get a couple of those, actually. Seem quite useful. And we need chart, which I did pick up some of. 1, 2, 3. A frame. Simple. To a spark catcher. Okay. How does this work? Spark catcher. If I cook something, oops, put this down to the ground. Let's say I'm cooking some copper ore. No? Not feeling it? Give me some stone. I'm cooking some stone up. There we go. Spark catcher did absolutely nothing. Place this directly under a block. Oh, under a block. Can I rotate this block then? Hold on. If I can rotate the arc furnace, maybe that'll work. I can, thank God. Oh, saved. I still don't know what pelt pillow is. Do I have any blocks to build with? Not really. Stone it is. Okay. Do that. Where is my spark catcher? Spark catcher. There. Okay. Build it down. Okay. So the idea is we're going to have an ore here. It's going to get turned in, or sorry, a vein here, and it's going to get turned into ore. We'll have a furnace pointing towards. Is that sparking? Oh, that's not sparking. Spark count 1. Okay. It's going to turn the block here into whatever is the output. So let's say like it's copper. It'll get turned into bars. This will trigger a spark that will have that wired to like a magnet. It'll pull it up. And then we'll have a roller just like shoot it off into a direction. That's the plan. We'll see if that works. I think it's a relatively simple machine. Hopefully I'm not stupid and this works. Stone. Only require 1 input, otherwise it'll just break. Let's actually see what happens. How does the spark work? Fine vein. Count. Count didn't change. Uh-oh. No, 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 stop, 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 stop. Give me that. Give me this. Gosh, oops. Oh, the spark changed. Why? Uh, hmm. I may also need some more wires. I believe are kind of a pain to make, but oh well. Is it frame and coil? Very good. Make me some more coils too. Okay. Hopefully the spark triggers the wire. The wire goes up, up. This is connected barely. It can be loose, I don't really care. I want the magnet here. Ooh. It's uncomfortably close. Oh, you know what I can do? I can move the toggler down. Yeah. Yoink and yoink. Completely out of space already. Okay. Toggler and extractor. Place that here. No. Hold on. Very good. Uh, I'm so out of space. Magnet. Yeah, that'll work. Other than for the annoying wire. Okay. So this will trigger the magnet. This magnet will just always be on, I guess. It'll pull it here to this spot. Oh, I'm so cooked, aren't I? Can I use the magnet to pull things through? No. um. Hold on, I'm cooking. Give me a moment. I'm so close. Maybe I can use the magnet to push instead of pull? But it needs to be below. Oh, what if I made the furnace above? If I do this. I just need a random building block. Lock it there. Okay. Get rid of all this. Okay. So that'll trigger a spark. The spark will activate a roller, but the roller needs to be near the magnet. I can't get the block out. Oh, it's just in the way. Magnet. Okay. How do I get you out? The magnet is so short range. Oh, below? How about below? Perfect. Okay. That'll push. I do need you to... I need you to push, not pull. Tell me magnets can push. Please. Can't toggle the direction. Hold on. Let's see if the book says anything about the magnets. Magnet. Pulls other blocks towards itself when given a charge. We're cooked. When its center is fixed, it rolls other blocks along the set direction. Hmm. This kind of ruins the plan. Hmm. Can I use the roller in any way then? Let's see what this does. Nope. Okay. Vein. Go. It cooks. The spark doesn't change because I don't understand how that works yet. Yeah. We are cooked. we're so cooked it's unreal. uh Magnets. Where'd my stone go? It's supposed to be here. Pull it out? Maybe I need like an actuator or something to push. Yes. Or if I could get something to slide upwards with one of these. You know, like if we can pull it into a spot where we can roll it somewhere. Hmm. Oh, I know. I can use gravity. I'm so stupid. If we stop. If we activate this, it pulls it up, then we pull it with one more magnet, and then we can just drop it. Yeah, that'll work. Let's cut this machine off from the ground. No. There we go. Rotate it. Yes. I didn't need this. The mirrors just look quite different. Ah, I see. Oops, it's when I rotate it, I meant to flip it, not actually rotate it. Is there a flip button? Hmm. So I think it was like that. Is there a flip? Oh, there is. Okay, it's R. No, that's rotate. I am. I'm so confused with what we're doing. E? No. Okay, so we just have to manually flip it. That's fine. Okay. In that case, start cutting. Okay. Remove you. So we'll use the extractor to extract this way. Forgotten my own plan. We need the furnace to cook up the block that it spits out. Need a spark catcher, if I can figure out how that works, to figure out when it's cooked. Assuming that it can do that. Okay. Once we have that, we will pull the loot like so. Shit. If I can get gravity to one more block further, you know, if I could get the block to drop here, then we can use a roller to just send it to the next universe. I don't know how I can do that. Ah, my whole plan is ruined. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna be able to make it go into like a staircase formation. It's... Oh, I don't think I'm able to do this then yet. That's fine. In that case, we'll just have it continue doing what it's doing now, which is just shitting out everything. Copper vein, cook, activate. Not what I was looking for. There. Oh, I've been rage baited by this machine. Back to the research, you guys. I need this. I don't know. How can I get the actuators? How far am I? Fuel management. Frames are fine. The diodes. Wire spool. Oh, maybe I should be able to make this. Yeah, I'll need a lot of copper. And a little bit more iron, maybe, for the next research. There's a wire spool. Are these? Oh, wait, no. Yeah, frames and wire spools. How do I make this? Okay. Yeah, looks good. You. Join you. No. Join you. Silicon is sand? I remember. Just cooked normally. Very nice. This is somehow less convenient than what I had before. This is the spark catcher. It didn't do what I wanted. Okay. I believe it was just silicon gets turned, yes, straight into PCBs, or whatever it's called, wafers. And diodes are... Oh, it can be a wire board or a wafer. What's a wire board? A wire with a nice backing. Okay, cool. Every other block. Like this. Boop, 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 boop. Joined. Oh yeah. Keep the assembly line going. Nice. That'll be enough. Actually, exactly. And frames. Okay. Cable management unlocked, which we didn't actually care about. Yeah, I don't care. Wait, inductor? Charges every block next to it regardless if they are welded or not. I might actually be able to use that. This is what we actually care about. Motors and transistors we need. It's always so much ore. Keep this cooking, I guess. Okay. So we need iron bars with wire spools, make 2 motors. And more of these circuit boards make transistors. Sure. So 10 billion copper, I guess. And like 4 iron. Makes sense, I guess. Makes sense most of the stuff we'd be making is wires. Is that my screen, please? Okay. What was this? Let's make some... No. Make some boards. Thank you. And we needed something like this. Yes, perfect. That's 3 of those that we needed, the transistors. The motors were, I think, like 2... Yeah, no. 2, 2. There we go. We need 2 more. Perfect. Oh, middle or cube will attempt to pull a block from your backpack. The book's with the guidebook. Oh, okay. So I can just quick select. Sure. Can I use Q here? Oh, I can. Nice. You should now be able to automate the most basic resources. Prioritize getting a working design running over speed or compactness. What's a motor do then, if it thinks I'm able to? Rotates loose blocks when given a charge. Rotates loose blocks. The game thinks I wasn't able to automate something before this. Interesting. Interesting challenge, but now I'll ignore it. In vain. Oops. Back. Two and two. Don't combine just yet. Okay. Let's see a motor. It rotates a block, it says. Did I make the lever toggler? Transistor and a wire. Okay. Forgotten how to do that. Was it like this? Yes, perfect. Transistor and a wire, did it say? Very nice, togglers. Okay, let's see. Gonna rotate blocks. Oh, it's not connected, right? Of course. No. Do I need a wire connecting them? No. How do I give you? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think that's on. Rotate. It ain't rotating shit. Maybe I should use a block that I can see if it's rotating or not. Like a magnet. There we go. Oh yeah, it's rotating. I guess this is a timer, isn't it? Now I think about it. Okay. Yeah, this is a timer block. How can I use it to time the machine then? Do I need to? I probably don't need to do something that complicated to automate this. I don't think it's the spark catcher that I want. Let's see though. Not this. Automated control. Actuator base. Pulls in welded actuator heads. Okay. Let's try and make one of these. 1, 2, 3. And any sort of iron. One of them. Very good. Give me some heads. Give me a head. A motor and iron. For the other part. Okay. Connect and actuator base to an actuator head and some wires to use. Probably could have figured that out myself, but thank you. Oh, look, it says you can actually see it in the inventory. Let's have a look how this works. Plonk and plonk. Okay. Does this combine as well? No. Can I make it longer? No. Great for welding. The yellow face is great for welding. What does that even mean? I do it like this. So I have to have it a 1 or a 2 block system. Okay. I'm going to assume that this just works then. Oops, go back. Oh, look. Let's send in a singular log. Cooks. Okay, well, that makes 2 things. That's immediately breaks my setup. Do I need a magnet then? Yeah, let's get a magnet. The magnet is here. Just forever on. No, not forever on when it gets cooked. When the spark catcher does this thing. Probably shouldn't interact with the actuator if we can avoid it. Stop connecting to the dirt, I swear to God. Okay. I'm missing 1 wire. How does one make wires? Here? Frames. Sure. No? Oh, and a spool, my bad. Shit. Okay. So here and here. Why is for being so so necessary or surprisingly complicated to make? I guess so that you get the right research before you try and do anything too complicated with them. Can I extract pulp? No. Uh, let's do stone. I think stone only gives 1 block. Yes, sand. Ooh, stop. Spark catcher. Why are you useless? Why do you not do what I want you to do? Was it middle mouse button? No. Spark catcher. Place this directly under a block that is being processed, and it will collect sparks. Sends a charge pulse when it collects a spark. So we can make it like this. A mantler? The fuck? Dismantler. Spark emitter. Maybe is what I'm trying to find. Get ports. Frame in a wire. Makes 2 ports. Oh man, this is gonna be expensive. These 50 of them? Fuck. Alright. Like the grinding iron. But it said I should be able to do it now. I guess it clears up some space if I don't need to use the spark catcher. Okay. Arc furnace cooks. Then how do we know when it's done? Other than with a timer with the spinny magnets. Transistor? I feel like transistors are used for this. I haven't actually done electronics in real life very much, so this is quite an experience for me. As the latest signals. Oh, we have a timer here as well. Input signals. Not helpful. When charged from any of the 3 input sides, the output is off. When charged from any of the 3 inputs, the output is off. Huh. Can I make one? I want to see what this does. Oh, I have one. So, plonk, plonk, and where's my piston? Plonk. Okay, and so if I turn this off, like that. It's just a signal inverter. Any of them? Wow, okay. I mean, a signal inverter is going to be helpful, but I expect transistors do more than that in real life. Oh well. Guess not. A trigger sends a charge when it sees a block. Is there a way I can do a tie or a counter? It's like if there's a way I can do a counter, right? We'll have a block come through. It'll get cooked. Or sorry, it'll come through. We'll get a trigger, and then it'll get cooked, and then I'll send another trigger. Oh, I see. Wait, I could have like maybe like a something rotates, or like oh, if I'm holding a piston, it might be easier to explain. There's my piston. There it is. Please, sir, extend. For demonstrational purposes. Okay. So, we'll have something. I guess it'll probably be a magnet, right? But let's say a block comes through. This gets cooked into this. This will send a trigger. Or so the first time. Let me try it. Start again. So something will come through this. It'll send a trigger, like through a wire here. This will be moved up. It'll get cooked. This will get moved down. Imagine it's a magnet. I don't know why I'm not just holding a magnet. I'm kind of stupid. So while it's cooking, the magnet will be up. When it's not cooking, it'll be moved down. And then I need a way to push it out. Like up here, and then we can just have this roll away with a roller. That'll work. I hope. This should just always be on. I don't know if they take inputs. That doesn't look like it. I'll keep this anyway. A magnet needs to be put on a rotating head, so a motor. Which I have one. And then I'll need an actuator. Like so. And a joining block. Or no, a detector will be here. This will be a detector. But now I'll just weld this like so. Please do not drop. Okay. I don't like that sound, but that's fine. So, yeah, the plan is we'll have a trigger. It'll power the rotate on this. When this is rotated, it'll pull into the actuator. The actuator will push up. And then roll it away. One more roller, maybe. It'll just drop here. This is wrong way. No, it's not. Oops. Okay. How do I make a trigger? Wire and glass. Wire and glass. Yeah. Glorious. Stop a production line from overflowing by turning it off with a trigger. That's not a good sign, considering I thought I might need this for the setup. I'm probably overcomplicating this then. But, oh well. This is the only way I know how to do it. Yeah. Let's just quickly test if this works. How about we cook a... I might as well just do one of these. Bonk. Okay, it cooks. That triggered. It's a toggle? Oh no, it's when something's here. Shit. It's not like a one-time pulse. Oh man. Oh. I thought it'd be a pulse. Hmm. All is lost. Is there any chance the arc, or sorry, the furnace sends a signal at any point? How about cook this now? No, no signals. Maybe the spark catcher? We'll read the furnace. This is for science. Trying to figure out what the useless ass spark catcher does. Give me the actuator. And a block to hold it, and like literally anything to cook. So, some more. Now, what the fuck do you do? There was a way to. Was it Q? I think it was Q, but place this directly under a block that is being processed. Like, it has to be the processed block. Which kind of defeats the purpose of what I'm trying to do here, but I want to figure out what you do. So what? If I cook some ore, that triggered, and then turns off. Oh, while it's being triggered, or sorry, while it's being cooked, it's... I see, there's being processed. Okay. And then I need a transistor then, don't I? Ah, shit, wait, no, hold on. We'll need a magnet that turns on when it's not on, while it's not being processed, you know? You get me? Let's see. Give me this back. Oh, my furnace. So this cooks. This magnet needs to be off most of the time, honestly, but... So this is on. Yes, it's pulling. I need a wire to join these. Is it pulling? Hold on. If I put, like, let's say a ore there. Yes, it's pulling. I need you to be off right now. No, I need it to be... Oh, shit. I need it to be on in a really specific circumstance. Oh. So I want it to be... Why is this so hard? Okay. I want the magnet to be off when a block is being cooked and when there's no block. Okay. So I need an inverted signal detector as well. Or trigger, sorry. What is it called? I'm so stupid. What do the triggers look like again? Destroyer. Actuator. Trigger. There it is. Oh, my headset's turned off. Back. Magnet. Toggler. I don't have a trigger. Oh, there it is. Guess I only had one. Okay. That's out of the way. You know what? We'll walk on the walk on like the actual logic later. Let's just make sure this works. Shit. Stop. Oh, actually, I don't think the wires will activate if they're not connected to the thing I don't want. Okay. There. So if there's nothing, this isn't on, right? No, sorry, if there is something. I want this inverted right now, is basically what I'm trying to say. How do I have it on while this is off? Hold on. If I put stone... Ooh. Yeah, actually, I think that worked. Sand? No. Why aren't you being processed immediately? The arc furnace is too slow. The magnet should be off as well. I feel like I'm missing one more piece of logic. This is off until this triggers. This magnet should only be on when this is off. But this is off while there's a block that needs to be cooked in the first place. Oh, I wonder if I have a spark catcher underneath the extractor, hopefully it's slowed. Shit. Hold on. Do I need another spark catcher? These fuck ass blocks are so hard to use. Okay, give me one more. One here. I need to move this whole contraption up. No. Put you there. Place you there. Put wires below. Need more. Local streamer tries best to do literally anything in simple automation game. Fails miserably. Okay. Let's do that. And connect it to the final output of the transistor. So, while the extractor is cooking, yes, stone to hold everything together. I really should be using cast iron because I don't think I can reprocess cast iron, but it's fine. Do this. Come on. Activate the extractor. So this is currently on. I want it off, but that's fine. It doesn't actually matter until I'm actually doing something. Oh, I don't think I can extract sand, my bad. Let's extract ore. Or sorry, extract a vein. Go. Okay, it's extracting. No. Oh, wait, I forgot the furnace. Where's the furnace? Wait, stop. That's a moving machine, but not what I'm trying to do. Don't want a moving machine just yet. Interesting that I can do that. Shit. Okay. Hold on. Let me think what I was trying to do. So while this is processing, this should be on, so the magnet's off. And then it moves here. And then I need something, I need to be able to cook the item. I wonder if I split this by one block, actually. I can put a roller in between. Nope. So if I put a roller here, and a furnace below it. Oh, but then I don't have a spark catcher. I don't have enough sides. Oh. Ah, this is not gonna work at all. Get it all out. We try again. So, let's go down to the fundamentals again. The furnace will cook a block that the extractor spits out. Oops. Like so. The placement of the furnace doesn't matter. When the furnace is done, I want the output pushed away on a roller, just like somewhere. I literally don't care where. Okay. So we only want it rolled away when it's done, though. Which means a spark catcher might not help, actually. Well, it will help, but I need to figure out a better way to do it. What does the spark emitter do, though? A charge will make the spark emitter shoot a spark. Phenomenal. Oh, is this a spark inverter? Charge. A charge will make the spark emitter shoot a spark. So we'll take a charge, and then we'll shoot another charge. Needs to be supplied sparks by being welded to a spark catcher. I don't know. Is it like to extend the signal? A charge will make the spark emitter shoot a spark, and sparks are signals. I'm so confused. I don't know why you would ever want that. Okay. So while this is being processed, we need to not be shooting a signal. Okay. So no signal until this is done. And then a quick pulse to pull it away. With a magnet. No, oops. So this should be off currently. This magnet. Put a stone there, it's not being pulled. Okay, good. Tell me it wasn't that simple. Let's put a ore here, just quickly. No, I didn't do anything. Put a vein down. Oh, you need to be on, my bad. Please don't move. No, it's all gonna fall down. Fine. No. Like that. Okay. Spits it out. This pulls it? No. Oh. Oh, that was not good. The spark count 0? Why isn't it? Is it facing away, I guess? Oh. Does it need to be facing some direction? Or does the transistor not walk the way I think it does? Wait, was it not connected, maybe? Oh, is there a chance it just wasn't connected? Very possible. You're not emitting a spark. Why not? Where's your spark? Spark catcher. You're supposed to emit a spark when you're being cooked, no? No. No sparks. Ah, man. I'll be emitting spark like this. Oops. Oh. What? I swear I just had it working. Hold on. I feel like what I was doing was correct, but I must be missing something. Spark catcher underneath the... I hope the juggler isn't doing anything wrong. Oh, no, it wasn't a trigger. Spark catcher underneath the cooked material, yes. Not sparking. What if I have an actuator to see if it's working or not? Please weld it together. I weld? Oh, this is the full thing, my bad. Okay. No spark. Spark catcher, spark catcher. You can rotate them, but there doesn't seem to be any purpose. Yeah, doesn't change what it looks like. Was it spark? Or charge will make the spark emitter shoot it. No, it's not the spark emitter. Oops. There we go. Spark catcher. Places directly under a block that is being processed, and it will collect sparks. Sends a charge pulse when it collects a spark. It isn't a pulse, it's like a signal, but it's fine. Actuator. Send the signal to the actuator. Okay, connected to the ground, whatever. And let's cook some sand. No sparks. Does it need to be enabled? No. Oh, why? Why you like this to me? Uh, fine. What about just a trigger that we'll do now? So we'll know when there's a block in here, right? Yes. Does it temporarily turn off? Hold on. Oops, no, not sand. Or sorry, not that. If this goes down for a second, no, it doesn't. Oh, wait. No. I just want to know when this is active. Is there any way to see when the furnace is active? Because if it's not active, then I can safely push something away, right? Cast iron. And the actuator. Some, I don't know, copper. Oh. Maybe it'll just send a normal signal? I wish the furnace sent the signal. I don't think it does, though. Furnace. I don't think I've unlocked it, actually. I don't think I can make one. There's a research for it, though. Hold on. Processing machine. Creates an extreme amount of heat. Provide the charge when processing. Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm actually so dumb. Actually. Let us see this signal in action. Actuator. Cook me some iron. Yes. Okay. That's what I needed. I don't know why it took me so long to figure out the furnace itself needs the charge. Okay. In that case, we can cook with that. This will place a block here while it's giving a charge. I don't want the magnet on. When it does have the charge, I want the magnet on. Simple. Sorry. This should be off while the thing isn't cooking. Oh, I can move the magnet up. Here we go. Yes. Magnet is off. While the furnace isn't on. Yes. While the furnace is on, this should be off. That's a vein. Or. No. It should also be off when there is nothing here. So I need to add a signal. Or sorry, trigger here. And I need to move this. Somehow. About like that. No! Go back. Banded back. So you're not on when the furnace is on, or the trigger is on. Or off, sorry. Okay. Shouldn't be connected. Oops. So you're currently on because both of these should be off, no? Off. Oh, it's on. I need it on when you're off and you're on. You're off and you're on. That's an exclusive OR. I have XOR machines. Analog systems. Capacitor, potentiometer, latch. That one? If the left and right inputs are imbalanced, it selects the higher charge and subtracts the back input. Why am I so dumb? I think I can make an XOR with just transistors if I remember correctly. Let me get paint up. Hold on. Paint. So the idea is we have the processor. It turns a block into something that literally doesn't matter. Put a block here. While the furnace is on, we want the magnet to be off. So, actually, we don't even need the processor here. The magnet is here. It's not pulling while the furnace is on, while there's no block. Yeah, okay, those two. But if we meet the conditions that there is a block, so tick, oops. Let's get to drawings, and the furnace is not on, we want the pull. Okay. Wait, so that's just one not signal. Not signal, and one on signal. Then I need an AND. Shit, how do I do an AND with transistors? I mean, I should be able to look this up, actually. AND with transistors. Transistors. I misspelled it. There you go. Images. So that's a capacitor. Oh, these are resistors. That's the power. That's a transistor. So it's a NOT connected to a NOT. Or sorry, it's a transistor connected to a transistor in series. Wait, what? Is there a better one? Better example? Oh my god. How do I make an AND gate from transistors? Probably just one. Transistor gate. Okay, so it's transistor, transistor, out. Why? So if this is on, this is off. If this is on, this is off. If they're both on, you're off, you're off. Oh, and a signal comes through to go. Oh, wait, what? So if one of them is off, let's say A is off. It doesn't seem to be working in my mind, but... Oh, sorry, let me change my game stream. There we go. Transistor. How do I make one of these again? Let's see. Is there a way to check this in the book? Wafer, wire spool, wire board. Wafer. I don't remember how to make the... Oh no, go back! No, my research! Okay, well, we're good. Wire board is wafer and wire. Okay. Give me. And cascade. What's a cascade? Adds delay to signals. Oh, I guess. Transistor is anything else actually? Inductor? What's an inductor? Charges every block next to it regardless if they're welded. No, I'm good. Was this a wafer and a spool, sorry. I have a spool, I do not. Spool. Whiteboard. Ooh. There. Okay. I swear I had 3, but I only have 2 in my inventory now. To be it. Okay, so it was like this, a wire in between, some signal sort of, out, and then finally a signal I can manually put in, which will be a toggler. Connect those. Connect this input signal here, like so. Oops. And then some sort of verification. Okay. So we see that it's off. No. Maybe this needs to be powered at all times, actually. Powered. No. Oh, wait, I'm joining these incorrectly, my bad. I realize now that it's the top part of the transistor that outputs the power. Okay. Let's try that. Actuator. Okay. Oh, oh. No. Oh. Okay, so it's an inverted AND. That works. It's a NAND. Oh. Yes, 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 yes. That is perfect. Huh. I'm curious if I can simplify this, actually. If I rotate these... where are they? To be facing into one wire. Okay. And we'll put an inverter here. Into an actuator. Okay. So currently it's off. We'll turn one on, nothing. Turn the other one on, nothing. Oh! And signal achieved. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. That's just what we needed. Okay. This is an AND gate. Oh. 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 Give me the thing. Thank you. Oh, I see I have no space. Gotcha. Okay, why was I doing that again? Let me refer to the paint. Ah, yes, just what I wanted to see. So, we want no magnet when this is cooking, and or fire. Let me just make sure it's more obvious as fire. Or there's no block. We want magnet when there's no fire and there is block. Okay. So we can just assume that the magnet's off as an assumption. So when there's no fire, so when the when the furnace is off, it's not emitting a signal. So that's just normal. When the signal is on, sorry, when the trigger is on, that's the signal. So we want to invert this, right? Yeah, invert the signal, and then take this signal, and we put it into an AND. Okay. And then that powers that. Perfect. So to do that, break this apart quickly. Oh, sorry, I need to show the game stream. Trigger is fine. Okay. We have our arc furnace. Get this off my screen. Don't even care about that. Okay, leave that there for now. So this is signal 1. This is signal 2. Let's take a wire. Get out of here. Oh, we need a wire for each one as well. Oh, this is inconveniently placed there. That's fine. Oh well. Let's figure out where the output's going to be. So like this. Rotate you. And we'll have a wire like this. Yes, that'll work. Okay. No. Oh, man. Wire. 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 Connect to the bottom ones to the furnace. We'll connect to the top one to the trigger. And this is the output wire to the magnet. I realize that this is one too short. Okay. Okay. So now, nothing's happening. If I put a block in, let's say iron. Okay, cooking. Oh. Oh, the transistor takes a while. Oh, no. Okay, so I guess that's why we need the timer block, or whatever the fuck it was called, just the delayed block. Shit. Was it analog? No. I'm so close. The cascade is this, isn't it? Diodes make a cascade, adds delay to signals. Okay. I need diodes. Wafer and coil. Make some more coils. Coil, coil. Wafer, wafer. Don't need any diodes just yet, so let's just make me a single cascade. Okay. So if I put a delay here, will that work? Hmm. Oh, fuck. Wait, no. Am I tripping? Wait, this is wrong. I'm so stupid. This needs to be inverted. The trigger needs to be inverted. Yes. It needs to be a knot, remember? No. No. It was the arc bonus that need to be inverted. You go here. We did not need this this cascade then. No. I don't have another transistor, I do. And I need a wire. Yeah. Connect, 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 connect. Done. Let me also get rid of this. Sorry, Mr. Cascade. Your time will come. But it is not now. Not the vein, the ore. Okay, boom. No. Maybe your time has come. Wait, what's going on? Stop. Stop, stop, stop. So when there's an ore, this is active. Oh, it's currently active. Okay, yeah, it's currently active. As we saw with the knots. Yeah, so no fire is correct. And there is a block. Or sorry, there's no block. So we're not currently active, correct? Hold on, let me get out of full screen for you guys. Hold on. Windows. Windows? Yes. Okay, so we can see. Go back. We have no fire right now. Yes. Yeah, so no fire. This is... Oh, I'm so confused. Hold on. Yes, no fire and no signal. It's off. So yeah. If there is fire, or there's no block, it's off. So if I place a block, the trigger will be on. Oh, and this will trigger the AND. We need the arc furnace to activate late. Oh, so do I need a delay here? Is that what I'm missing? Cascade. Oh, that actually works. No way. Oh, wait. No, it's not cooking, and there is a block. Yes. Okay. So that's perfect. Go back and trigger the delay. Oh, yeah. Wait. We can go back to the game. Hold on. Game stream. Go back to full screen. Okay. Let me go full screen. There we go. Hold on. Return to the game. Thank you, OBS. What the fuck am I looking at here? What is this? Is this some sort of timing mechanism? Charge delay 3. 2. Oh. 7. 8. Oh, okay, so 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And 2 is the minimum. Sure. Okay, so I need a way to pull the block out of here, though. This is all Graynol. Too close to the machine I'm trying to build. Let's move all this. Oh. Wrong thing. Stop. Okay. Move it 1 away. The magnet closer here. Oh. There we go. I need space to put a actuator to push the thing out of the way. You know? Huh. I may also need another delay. We'll try first. Hold up. Hold up. Bim, bim, boom, bim. Let's see. Hook. Yeah, no. we need a little delay for the actuator, and it should push the thing out of the way. Man, I gotta go through the diodes making again. Like this. Actually, that wasn't that bad. Yeah, okay. Let's cut you up. And put a magnet here again. I wonder if it'll pass the signal through. Let's actually have a look. I'm curious. On. Okay, well. Even if it does, it's not working the way I want it. Also make sure this is the lowest delay possible. Okay. This looks like a really complicated machine for something I feel like should be quite simple. To pull it up, and then this needs to push out the way. Why are we not activating? Oh, because you're not connected. Okay. I think that worked, actually. Hold on. Cook it up. We're good. Oh, and push it out the way. Oh. And then I need these things to roll away somewhere. I don't really care where. Will that work? Can I roll upwards into the sky? Okay. We'll put a vein. Turn it on. Extract. Get up. Push it up. Oh! Oh my god, it's actually working. Holy shit. It actually does something. No way. God, it's so ugly. Oh. It works, that's all that matters. Wow. That's a massive W. I can do the exact same machine with iron as well. Do I need this? No, I don't. Great. Oh. Then I feel so accomplished. Holy shit. So now that we've got infinite of that, God, that's an annoying noise I have to deal with a lot though. Doesn't need to be connected to the ground. Should actually be able to pick up the whole thing then, because it's all connected, right? Yeah, it is. Probably, yeah, if I hold right click, yeah. W. Can I copy this in any way? Probably not. Oh well. I'm gonna move this far away so it doesn't annoy me with the sound. There you go. Let's put iron. There. You enjoy working on that? Will it work? Yeah, okay, iron works too. Good. Holy shit. Infinite everything. Wait, is it working? Hold on. That's 2? Or it just got to 3? Let's say it takes 5 seconds per block. There should be at least 4 or 5. Yeah. Yeah, it's working well. I'm not looking at it. Okay. Success. Massive W. Let's progress to my journey to the skies. Vehicle. Iron plate and rubber. I don't have a very good way to get a lot of wood. Iron plate is just iron. We can do that easy peasy. Anything else I can research then? A lot of wires. Spark emitters. Ports. Frame wire. How can I make another one of those? I want iron and copper at the same time. Automated crafting. Combiner. Processing machines. Here we go. Cast iron and wire spool. I know how to make wire spools, how to make cast iron. Sand. Sand is crushed stone. Okay. I realize that there's not really a great way to have a bunch of things fed into this though. Because I could in theory put a roller to roll things in. Like if I had stone, hold on, my stone, like this. I could put like a bunch of stone to roll it into that. The problem is that I won't be able to put this here very well. I need to have like a pass-through block. Is there any like blocks that anything can go through? Let's have a look in the research tree. Pass-through block. Compressed stone? Cable management, maybe. Port, no. Wire, rubber? Rubber? Probably in the guidebook then, isn't it? Oh, how about this? Does not have another air above it. Oh. Sediment. Wait, dig quickly by holding control and shift. Oh, I didn't know about that. Yappa yappa. It can be immune to movement. Yeah, that's why we like it. It's naturally generated. Yappa yappa. It's hard as stone. Iron. Sand. No. Ah, tell me there's a pass-through block. We naturally found it. I don't care. It could be squished into nothing? Okay. Oh, frames are probably pass-through, right? No. Platform? No. Maybe it is a platform. Because like I can walk through this, right? These platforms. Yeah. If I can push something through it, then that works too. Let's have a try. Stop this for now. Quickly. Do you not allow that? No. Oh, that's not working, but... Huh? Why isn't it working? Oh. Fucking wheels. Rotate, please. No. There we go. Oh! We're good. Silly. Oh, let me quickly weld you to the ground so you don't go too far away, even if something breaks. Okay. The pass-through block, as we intended, is too close, I just realized. Can't weld that, but it's fine for now. Holy shit, that's so much iron. Stone into a roller upwards into the sky. Can't weld that, but that works, it's fine. I hope. No. Okay. I don't think we have access to a pass-through block yet. Or if we do, I don't know which one it is. Wait, bomb emitter. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see that. Yeah, no, I don't know. Is there a better way to take the output? I don't think there is. Place one here. Need something here. I think glass had a special property, didn't it? Glass. A clear material. Phenomenal. Residue. Wait, what? A floating material that gets left behind from buttons. These creatures cannot be found by exploring east and west. Okay. Sure. Whatever. Yeah, no, I don't think I can fix it. It's a problem with my design, the design itself. Oh, no. No, yeah, we're cooked. Oh, well. Hold on. I'll draw one more time. I put a bunch of duh here. Don't really care about the duh itself. I care about a roller at the end. Roller here. It's connected nice and safely. Nah, I think we're cooked no matter what. I don't think there's a way to fix this. So be it. All good. This is just not a machine for auto smelting stone. Okay, so let me get rid of all the stone actually in this. We can make it all cast iron. Ah, we're not using that many blocks. Oh. I should be able to just pick this all up. Yeah, okay. Transportable machine. Waste my time. Make sure everything still works. Yes, looks good to me. Although it's not iron I lied. I wanted copper. Copper is here. Oh, I'm so overwhelmed. I was doing this though. Iron and sand. Let me just make some sand manually, I guess. Which is the whole point of all this. It's out of my way. Sand, I believe, is made with stone. Just here. Yeah. Oh, it only cooks one time. Oh, shit. I see. Interesting. Need to be quick with the pickup. Otherwise we get some shattered silicon. I have to have a complete other system for automated sand production. My machine is really not happy about this. The fact that it's just like shattered is really funny. Okay. I would like... Can I get a glass block here? So I can place... Was it... No, that's not... I need sand. No, 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 okay. No. Phenomenal. Sand, sand. Whatever, it's fine. An iron in the middle, right? I can't weld them together. Iron bar and sand. Okay, well. Is it like a directional thing? Iron bar, sand, sand. Weld. No. They just need to be there, like, instantly? No. Can't weld them together. Oh, it's an arc furnace. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take apart my machine then. Sorry, kind sir, give me this. Step early. Also, maybe turn it off. Okay. Furnace with 10 billion iron, please. Stone. Okay. You're fucking me. Yeah, this is some BM. Oh. Oh! Oh, you only need one sand. I see. Or, well, two sand. One sand layer, I meant. That's kind of cool. That makes the process a lot cheaper for me then. How much do I need? 10? What, 9? Oh yeah. The iron pillar of penis. Then I just need coils next, okay. I should have a 1,000,001 coils. That's the wrong block. Yeah, nice. One more. I do actually need a lot of coils anyway for myself, so might as well get them while we're here. Okay. Coils, take my 10 coils. I've got the other thing, it's fine. Processing machine's unlocked, so we don't have to really destroy our machine every time we want to do something. Very good. This back. Thank you. Back to copper. Enjoy. All good. All good. Oh, I'm so glad that I actually does something. I was worried I'd never automate anything in this game. Okay. What I was doing. Vehicle. No. Yes. No. Hmm. Automated crafting? What's the welding? I don't really care. How am I supposed to get loads of this? You destroy a bunch of trees. Oh. I guess in theory, I could put like these rollers as like a car that just sort of rolls over the surface and just like deletes any tree in the way. But I don't know if I have like a deleting tool. I did see something like a destructor or something. Automated organics? What's a pelt melody? Spongy material. Bushbirds. Bushbirds can be found by exploring east and west. I guess that's how you're supposed to collect it. Or sorry, make it. Uh, huh. Yeah. You know what? Actually, I think we've gotten far enough for this stream. Before I go into making a complete other machine, I'm really happy with the progress I made. I made one automated infinite ore machine, which is just a wall at the side of my map. It seems, but that's fine. Um, this game is fucking awesome so far. I will stream this again. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching. I imagine I'm probably not going to get a whole lot of viewership on this game, but I'm enjoying it. I will be back. Maybe within the next few days. I'm currently working on a lot of editing for the very old stream that I want at least a YouTube video on. But yeah, thank you for watching. Good night. Goodbye.